Whiteboards in YouTrack give your team a flexible space to plan, brainstorm, and collaborate. Start from scratch with simple cards like digital sticky notes to break down work, sketch ideas, or map dependencies. Add text, connect cards with arrows, and organize everything in a way that makes sense to you. When your ideas take shape, turn them into action. Convert cards into YouTrack tasks or articles. Whiteboards also help you collaborate on ongoing projects. Import existing issues, articles, or support tickets from different projects into a single shared canvas to get an overview, reorganize, or plan the work streams. Whiteboards stay in sync with your data in real time. When issues are linked, their connections are automatically displayed and updated. Whiteboards are easy to share. Invite teammates to just view or edit the whiteboard at any time. Collaborate in real time, see who's on the board, and build ideas together, across teams and projects. YouTrack. It's easier than you think.